Israel closes Ibrahimi Mosque for Jewish holiday. Israel arrests 20 Palestinians in West Bank raids. Fear rise of extremist groups return to Gaza. Iraq slams Bahraini FM for defending Israeli attack. Syrian regime and Russia attack kills 7 civilians in Idlib. Turkey and US discuss latest developments in Syria. Qatar appoints ambassador to Jordan. 2 Saudi soldiers killed on Yemen border. Separatists control majority of Yemen's Aden. Italy allows women and children to disembark rescue ship. Indian Defence Minister in Ladakh amid anger in Kargil. Kashmir restriction make bad rights situation worse.